catching fire in the morning light. Wax on the painful tank topped off. Meeting the crew before we take off. Flags flying high from the window frame. Every ride got its own nickname. Old school rumble, modern machine. Best looking lineup you've ever seen. The roads are calling, let's take our time. A summer cruise on the county line. Stars, stripes, chrome tonight. Cruising till the fireworks light the sky. Windows down, let freedom ride. Nothing beats the 4th of July. One long cruise through our hometown streets. Classic cars and a summer breeze. Engines singing all night long. This is where we all belong. Parking lots filling row by row. Watching every polished fender glow. Stories told with every build. Years of work and dreams fulfilled. Kids pointing at the old Bel Air. Cameras flashing everywhere. No trophies needed, no race to win. The best part's seeing old friends again. Every mile becomes a memory. Every cruise feels like family. Stars, stripes, chrome tonight. Cruising till the fireworks light the sky. Windows down, let freedom ride. Nothing beats the 4th of July. One long cruise through our hometown streets. Classic cars and a summer breeze. Engines singing all night long. This is where we all belong. Red tail lights, blue dust skies, sparkling colors start to rise. Engines idle, people cheer, waiting for that time of year. The rockets bloom, reflections shine across the hoods in perfect lines. For just one night, the whole town knows freedom rolls on 4-time wheels. Rocking in the show as the night's grown late. Still don't wanna head for home just yet. Take the long way through the town. Windows open, music loud. Leave every stoplight, every turn. Another memory we have earned. Next year's already on our minds before this night gets left behind. Stars, stripes, chrome tonight. Fireworks dancing in our eyes. Every cruise and every show. Another place our stories grow. Stars, stripes, chrome tonight. One more lap before goodbye. We'll chase these roads until they're gone, keeping the tradition rolling on. Chrome still shining, flag still flying, fireworks fading, engines humming. See you next 4th of July. Yeah. Ventura County, engines by the ocean. Sunset glow on a 101. Windows down, yeah, the night just begun. From Simi hills to the coastline breeze. Every car roll in with a story to see. Gas station stop, engines rev. People pull up, you ain't there yet. Headlights line like a runway show. Everybody here got something to show. From canyon curves to parking lots, you can feel it build every Friday night. We ride out where the coast meets the sky. 1,000 Oaks out there. When the lights go low and the crowd arrives, it's the sound of county line nights. Pop the hood, let the chrome shine bright. Old school classics next to Bill so tight. Turbo spools, V8s growl. Everybody turn in heads right now. Camera flashes, people talk. Different crews but the same sidewalk. From imports clean to lifted trucks, no matter the build, it's all love. Hit the revs like a heartbeat drop. Nobody here wants the night to stop. We ride out where the coast meets the sky. Ventura nights got that drive. From the beach to the late night cruise, every lane got a different view. Yeah, engines echo through the valley air. From Oxnard Street to 1,000 Oaks out there. When the lights go low and the crowd arrives, that's the sound of county line night. Cruising PCH with the ocean side. Salt air mixing with the midnight ride. Street light streak as the tires spin. This is where the real nights begin. From parking lots to open roads. From slow roll lines, full throttle modes. No stage needed, no spotlight, just engines singing through the night. We ride out where the coast meets the sky. Ventura nights got that drive. From the meets to the late night cruise, every lane got a different view. Yeah, engines echo through the valley air. From Oxnard Street to 1,000 Oaks out there.